How to uninstall the Line app. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall the Line app from your phone. Whether you are switching messaging apps or simply need to free up space, it's super easy to do, so let's get started. First, locate the Line app on your home screen, okay? Once you locate it, press and hold the icon until a menu pops up. You can see Remove App right here. Tap Remove App. Now here you can see Remove from home screen or Delete app. If you want to remove your Line app from the home screen, you can tap on Remove from home screen. But if you want to permanently delete or uninstall the app, you can tap on Delete app. Here you want to uninstall the app, so just tap on Delete app. Once you tap on Delete app, a confirmation message will pop up again. Simply read the message and be sure before deleting it. Tap on Delete again right here. Okay, as you can see, the Line app has been disappeared from your home screen. And that's it, Line is now uninstalled. And now you have successfully uninstalled the Line app. If this guide helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.